Dutchess Tower, Skyhawk 12291 is Kilo 24, southbound, ready to go.
Skyhawk 12291, Dutchess Tower, runway 24, clear for takeoff, left turn southbound approved.
Clear to go, southbound approved, 291.
The pennies dropped. How did my focus stop? I never let desire lead me blind. I can't get enough. Oh no, the voice is strong. You know you done me wrong. I never let a feeling lead my mind. I gotta rise above. Don't need to front. 'Cause if I was to take you home, what's left when the danger's gone? I never let a feeling leave my mind. Would you like to know me better, baby? Think that you could show me better, maybe? Well, I sure don't wanna waste your time, sure don't wanna waste your time. So let me tell you that I'd be better off without you. Duck down, the bullet's gone. Slow motion, switch me on. I never let desire lead me blind. Won't give it up free.
9183 Tango 24 at Alpha, ready for takeoff.
Skywalk 9183 Tango, Dutchess Tower, runway 24, clear for takeoff, say directional flight.
Right down with departure, please.
Right down with departure's approved.
Or Tango.
Go up to 2,000 and then drop down 1100 before the tap.
Yep.
See the planes?
Yep.
The three Moonies, the Cessna.
Yep. Patrick, I just cheat a little right if you don't mind.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's nice.
Cool.
Hudson River traffic, white Cessna 1100 at the clock, southbound. Hudson River traffic.
Hudson River traffic, flight of 3 Moonies, Alpine Tower, northbound 1100. Going to be making a teardrop 180 up at the Tappan Zee Bridge and heading back south. Hudson River.
Hudson River traffic, white Cessna, front of the lady, 1100 southbound. Hudson River traffic. Start a descent to about 500, and then we'll cruise over.
Lady southbound, Hudson River.
These wave breakers right here. Isn't that weird or what? We said the same thing last time.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
there must be a shallow spot there.
Pretty out on the beach, but you get a few little spurts of people just walking. I guess they're taking their chance because Jersey's in lockdown. They have their beaches closed. And they're surfing. Right here.
Where?
Right coming up below us. Right on my side, but you're not going to be able to see them. Oh yeah, there they go. You'll see them on the way back. LaGuardia Tower, Skyhook 12291 is over Sandy Hook, 1,200 with requests.
Over Sandy Hook, contact Newark Tower 118.3.
Newark Tower 18.3, 291.
No, Somerset.
Okay.
Somerset, Roger. Appears to be traffic at your 10 o'clock, 2 targets, 6 miles, both 1,500. Leaving the class Bravo, squawk 1200, free change approved.
Roger, thanks for your help. So long.
Newark Tower, Skyhook 12291.
Traffic inside 285 Alpha.
Who's in aircraft calling Newark Tower?
Skyhook 12291, I'm about 2 miles north of Sandy Hook.
Number 555, Charlie, Newark Tower. Radar contact 1,300, traffic at the VZ at 1,000, climb up to 1,500, say request.
Touch and go. 5 Charlie.
Charlie, Roger, start your right base runway 4 right, continue on that heading, climb to 1,500. Number 3, following the Cessna, opposite direction, the other base.
1,500. What was your runway again?
Runway 4 right, 5 Charlie.
4 right, 5 Charlie. Gotcha.
7 Lima, Charlie, start your left turn towards the airport.
Wilco 7 Charlie.
Newark Tower, Skyhook 12291.
Cherokee A5 Alpha, contact LaGuardia 118.7.
118.7. Good day, 285 Alpha.
Who else called Newark?
Skyhook 12291.
Skyhook 12291, Newark Tower.
About 3 miles south of the VZ at 1,300, looking to transition through, then over to LaGuardia to do a touch and go.
Number 12291, radar contact 1200, clear the class Bravo, climb up to 15 for traffic 12 o'clock, 2 miles opposite direction, squawk 0307.
0307 in the box, climb up to 1,500 to avoid traffic southbound. 291.
Newark Tower, good afternoon. Experimental 168 Alpha Lima, VFR level 2,500.
Experimental 168 Alpha Lima, Newark Tower, Newark altimeter 3007, say request.
3007, and overhead the numbers for the northbound Hudson at 1,500, 168 Alpha Lima.
Experimental Alpha Lima, Roger, radar contact, clear the class Bravo, start your left turn, overhead the 4s eastbound, and Newark altimeter 3007.
3007, overhead the 4s eastbound, and what altitude did you want us at?
Start your descent down to 1,500. Sierra 4 Delta Tango, you're about 2.5 miles in trouble. Cessna at 1,500, contact LaGuardia 118.7.
LaGuardia 118.7, 4 Delta Tango, long.
November 2901, what's your aircraft type?
We are Cessna 172/Golf.
Roger, you said you're going to LaGuardia, right?
Like to get up the East River into LaGuardia.
I'll let them know.
1.
Got that, Papa?
FedEx 155, you're already there, so make the left turn down Papa and hold short runway 4 for Charlie.
Papa, hold short, 4 left, Charlie, FedEx 155, heavy.
Charlie traffic and phones on now at 2.5 mile final. You can start your turn towards Newark for the 4 right, clear touching. Dutch is 5 Charlie.
5 Charlie, go 5 Charlie.
Start your turn towards Newark, runway 4 right, clear touch and go. Traffic and phones, 2 mile final.
Clear touch and go, follow traffic at 2 mile final, 5 Charlie.
25 years in Newark, I've never seen it like this.
Who you telling? I left Farmingdale for no more touch and goes, and here all you guys come.
I'll be back at 10:37 this week.
That's what I'm talking about.
Roger, traffic inside 385 Alpha.
So that's going to be a straight in for 13.
6 o'clock has you in sight. Contact Newark Approach on 120.8.
Hey, before we go, if we can make a turn to LaGuardia now, if you want us to stay with you for that.
I thought you said you wanted to go to the top.
Okay, we'll go to the top if that's easier. What's the approach frequency?
It's not. I mean, it's just whatever you want to do, but you might as well just go to the top and you can call us back, 4 Delta 10, because they already took the handoff.
Okay, and give me the frequency again, please.
Sure, it's 120.8.
208, thanks for the help, 4 Delta Tango.
85 Alpha, contact Newark Approach on 120.8. 85 Alpha, contact Newark Approach on 120.8. 85 Alpha, contact Newark Approach on 120.8.
Contact approach 120.8. Have a good day, thank you.
Thank you. And 90 Charlie Delta, contact Newark Tower 118.3. 1 Romeo, say your intentions.
1 Romeo, would like to
do a VOR to 31 left at JFK.
Run Romeo into the right downwind from a 3-1. Climb maintain 1,500.
Okay, right downwind to 3-1. Climb maintain at 1,500. 1 Romeo.
Pattern is 1,000 for them.
291, runway 13, cleared for the option.
Runway 13 cleared for the option. LaGuardia Tower 291.
Yes, sir.
Can I start my descent?
Your discretion, sir. You're cleared for the option from a 13. Do you have the field in sight?
I do, and I'm starting a descent 291.
Good afternoon, experimental 168 Alpha Lima, VFR level 2000, Hudson northbound.
Experimental 168 Alpha Lima, LaGuardia Tower, say your intentions.
I'd like to exit the Bravo to the north and then we'll be returning to Caldwell, VFR.
8 Alpha Lima, roger. 8 Alpha, did you want to fight following or?
8-5 for 168 Alpha Lima.
Roger.
LaGuardia Tower 1, Romeo, Romeo. Can we start turning to join the Canarsie radio for the VOR approach into
1 Romeo, I'm not sure if they're approved.
Tower 90.
Contact Kennedy Tower 191.
Hi, I'm starting my descent.
Okay, 19-1, 1 Romeo, Romeo.
LaGuardia, Skyhawk
80.
727 Limit Charlie, northbound 1500 about.
Skyhawk 727 Lima Charlie, LaGuardia Tower. Skyhawk 727 Lima Charlie, say your intentions.
Oh, Skyline route up to Hudson, and then depart your airspace.
You don't want to fight following then?
Negative. Once we get up past the Alpine Tower, we're going to descend.
Eight Alpha Lima, descend and maintain 1,500.
Leaving 2000 for 1,500, 8 Alpha Lima.
8 Alpha Lima, what's your final destination?
Charlie Delta Whiskey for 168 Alpha Lima.
Roger.
LaGuardia 5 Charlie Charlie.
5 Charlie Charlie, LaGuardia.
Look for a touch and go, 5 Charlie Charlie.
5 Charlie Charlie, continue north and up the East River, to maintain 1,500, LaGuardia, altimeter 3007.
3007, 5 Charlie Charlie.
My love, you got me dreaming, but you're next to me. And my love, there is no place I would rather be. Everything right, pretty thing. You're the angel that I can't be.
LaGuardia Tower, 514 Delta Tango, 1,500.
514 Delta Tango, LaGuardia Tower, southbound the Harlem, maintain 1,500.
Okay, southbound the Harlem, and we'll maintain 1,500 for Delta Tango.
5 Charlie Charlie, runway 13, cleared for the option.
135 Charlie Charlie. Cleared.
291, climb maintain 1,500, say your intentions.
I'm 1,500, like to depart to the north. Direct to KPOU, Dutchess County.
5 Charlie Charlie, once you whenever you can start your left turn eastbound, climb maintain 1,500.
Left turn 1,500.
8 Alpha Lima, you have traffic south and then the Harlem at 1.5 off your left there.
Looking 8 Alpha Lima.
8 Alpha Lima, actually no factor, contact New York approach in 120.8.
20.8 now, 168 Alpha Lima, thanks.
No problem. And 4 Delta Tango south on the Harlem, and then you can enter.
What'd she say, climb to 1,500?
Maintain 1,500.
1,500.
And 5 Charlie Charlie, you can just bring it to the base from a 1-3. You are clear touch and go. You can start that right turn.
Runway 13, clear for touch and go, right turn, 5 Charlie Charlie.
City Field.
I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. Ain't no rules they about, we can do it, say how. I will see you through.
7 Lima, tell you sure you don't want flight following?
Negative, ma'am. We're just going to exit your space up by the outbound tower. Descend for the exclusion southbound.
7 Lima, Charlie, leaving LaGuardia Bravo space radar service, terminate squawk via far frequency change approved, so long.
Squawk via far frequency change approved. Be safe. 7 Lima Charlie.
Thank you, appreciate it. 4 Delta Tango number 2, following the Bonanza on a 3-mile right.
Might as well go into Kennedy.
4 Delta Tango looking for traffic.
4 Delta Tango, and yeah, he's on a 3-mile right base sitting out of 1.3. 5 Charlie Charlie, you straight in?
Yeah, straight in, 5 Charlie Charlie.
Tower 291.
291.
Am I clear to go on course?
291, affirmative, sir. Start a left turn eastbound.
Start left turn eastbound, 291.
Proceed to the Throgs Neck Bridge, sir.
Over to the Throgs Neck, and then can I proceed north on course?
4 Delta Tango, do you have the traffic ahead in sight?
4 Delta Tango, affirmative.
4 Delta Tango, if you need to make a left 360, that's approved.
4 Delta Tango.
Yeah, 4 Delta, why don't you just go ahead and do that, make a left 360.
Left 360, 4 Delta Tango.
And 291, after the Throgs Neck, proceed on course.
Proceed on course for 291. Thank you so much for the help today.
After the Throgs Neck, sir.
After the Throgs Neck.
There's 4 Delta Tango to my 1-3 cleared for the option.
Runway 13 clear for the option, 4 Delta Tango.
And 291, climb maintain 1,500, sir.
Up to 1,500, 291.
Symmetry 007. Charlie Charlie, say your intentions. Climb maintain 1,000.
5 Charlie Charlie.
5 Charlie Charlie, climb maintain 1,500, say your intentions.
1,500, I'm going to book the airport.
What's the identifier for that? identify for that?
Oh, a hotel.
We're over the Throgs Neck now.
Alright, Charlie, Roger. Whenever you can start the left turn to the south stanchion of the Throgs Neck Bridge.
Left turn to Throgs Neck, 5 Charlie.
Yeah, the floor of Class B is 500 foot here, so.
Well, we're going to have to stay with her.
Yeah. Yep.
To the river.
Alright, Charlie, in the left turn.
5 Charlie.
Well, let's see.
Charlie, climb, maintain 1,500, proceed on course, sir.
1,500, proceed on course, 5 Charlie.
.291, contact New York approach on 120.8.
20.8, 291. Thank you for the help. Have a great day. Stay safe. That was pretty interesting. Yeah. We did it.
Have a nice video landing.
Beautiful.
Normally we have the traffic, no factor.
Got it.
And I didn't see that much of a crosswind because I was looking at the sock.
Did you see how much rudder I had? I had a lot of rudder in.
Really?
Yeah.
Send and maintain 3,000.
I was standing on it.
The sock was over to the side. I'm going, looks like it's almost down a runway.
You know, I was on. I'm like, why? It's not, you know, I don't feel it, but I can't get the plane straight. Yeah. I'm standing on it.
Thank you. That traffic's passing behind you, and there's an out factor.
291.
291, extend your upwind, traffic to follow. Currently about 2 to the south-southwest is a Cessna descending out of 1,100. Reporting you have that Cessna in sight.
Okay, stepping upwind and looking for the traffic, 441.
We're 441. The traffic should be passing off your left wing in about 5 or 6 seconds.
Traffic inside, 441.
Hey, Warrior 441, thank you. Turn crosswind at your discretion.
Dutch Tower Cherokee 4395 Juliet, holding short 24 kilo, ready for a northwest departure.
Cherokee 4395 Juliet, Dutch Tower, runway 24, clear for takeoff on course northwest.
I'm at 90.
That's just a 291, you can disregard report. Runway 24, you're clear to land, the wind is variable at 4.
Clear to land, 291, winds variable at 4. Thank you, 291. Variable.
This is 90468 Delta holding short of 24 kilo.
Headless 90468 Delta, this tower, good afternoon, runway 24, clear for takeoff in say direction.
Okay, thank you. 68 Delta, I'd like a right turn out to the northeast.
Right, Club 68 Delta, traffic in the upwind is northwestbound, a right turn out northeast approved.
Thank you, sir, on the roll.
So that's a 291, one more departure prior to your arrival, rolling now.
291's looking for that traffic, taking the active. And 291's turning base.
Warrior 441, do you still have that Cessna traffic ahead of you in the downwind in sight?
Traffic inside, 441.
Right, Warrior 441, you're number 2 for runway 24, cleared for the option.
Number 2, clear for the option, 24, 441.
It's like I'm dreaming, like I'm walking by your side, keeps on repeating.
Oh, look at the hook. Wow, that was close. You see that? Yeah, he was right there. $70. $65. Go to power.
Warrior 441, just keep your base to final square. That Cessna ahead of you will be a full stop.
Okay, squaring off, 441.
Tower 291, can I go right on Bravo?
Cessna 291, certainly right on Bravo in Juliet.
Right on Bravo, and yes, heading over to Juliet.
Okay, so it's 291, Bravo, Delta, cross 33 to Juliet. Have a good day.
Bravo, Delta, cross 33 to Juliet with you. 291, have a great day. Thank you.
Ups are up.